I'm hungry. You're hungry. Welcome to the channel. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're making some spicy chicken. I had the picture on the right for inspo on what you want to do. So the first thing you want to do is cut off all the fat from these chicken. I don't know how y'all keep this. A lot of people don't clean y'all chicken and y'all wilding because y'all really need to. The reason why I had cut it like this because I was making spicy chicken sandwich, and this works for the same thing if you wanted to do like spicy chicken bites and stuff like that. I did like mini sliders. So for the season, you want to have garlic, onion powder, oregano, and chili powder, cayenne powder. I say that so I'm wrong with pepper powder. So something I do because at this time, I'm not gonna lie, these videos are kind of old because I just had them sitting on my file. When I was selling food, is that I will have like a container, like a seasoning container, and I put all the seasoning on there. I recommend you do a bowl or you just do the same thing because honestly, this specific seasoning you can use for anything. I make sure I season my chicken. Every part of my chicken gotta have some color, not a little, not a tiny bit. Every single part, and y'all gonna keep seeing me add some seasonings. Because one thing about me, the food gotta be seasoned. And you wanna keep flipping it around. And if you haven't already, make sure you like this video, comment down below recipes you do want me to do. And on top of that, make sure you follow me on all my social media networks because the girl is posting. Y'all know I've been dating for months. Y'all gonna be surprised when y'all see me upload this today. No cap. It is May 27th. This is gonna be uploaded by 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock. Depends how fast I edit the other videos, because your girl's editing 3 videos a day, and your girl was grinding, she's shining, you know how it is. LOL. So I did put half and half, but you can't put whole milk. Half and half, I say in some ways work better because I don't know, it really depends on you. Like when it comes, I like it really crispy, and that's what I determined to serve my customers when I was serving customers, because y'all know I don't sell food anymore. But if y'all do want to book me for a catering, feel free to DM me Germeats. So you're gonna put it in the fridge for 2 hours. So about 2 hours later, you're going to do this. You're gonna do like your mixture for, you're gonna start like doing your mixture for the, I want to say, is it batter? Because I thought the batter, I think it is the batter. Y'all probably looking at me like, girl, are you supposed to know these things? No, I didn't go to culinary arts school. Excuse me, I'm so sorry for hearing me burp. I said excuse me though, because I got manners. But yeah, so I don't really know a lot of terms, but we're learning and we're growing as together as a family. So this is so cool. I freaking love this little machine. And y'all know I don't really use salt like that, but I'm determined to use some salt when it comes to this little thing. So after 2 hours later, it's gonna look like this. The milk, the half and half, I still consider half and half as milk. It's gonna be like thick with the chicken. That's what you want. So you want to put that in the flour. The reason why I didn't put seasoning in the flour batter is because I really don't think it do nothing. I feel like when you're letting it rest, that's when you should add seasonings, and it worked perfectly for me. So I feel like adding seasoning to the flour is a waste of time because you're not even tasting anything. Like, I'm about to show y'all a trick because this is really what I do, and your girl, this is how we do it. And if you know about the Germeats selling place time, y'all know my boneless chicken, my freaking chicken sliders was going super crazy. And you know why? Is because I did this exact method. I like the angle this is showing from. It's really giving bird eye view. You know what I mean? I am so freaking annoying. But how's y'all day going? Comment down below how y'all day is going. Let me know how it's going. Let me know what recipes y'all want to see. Just the vent in the comments. I think I'm gonna do a Q&A on my Instagram. I'm going to probably do one. So make sure you head over to my Instagram, drop some questions. I answer all questions. Any of y'all want to ever start a business? I know I'm not a millionaire yet. I mean billionaire yet, cause we going big. But I do give out free advice all the time. I'm not stingy with my knowledge at all. I hate stingy people when it comes to knowledge because knowledge should be free. But yeah, feel free. So I think I'm gonna do like a business. Maybe I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Maybe like baking business. You know, something that like I'll be baking because I wanna do a dessert thing. I have a lot of plans, and I'm telling y'all because we gonna manifest this. This is about to happen. I don't know why nothing is happening in this scene. This is so. This so needs to be cropped out. But it doesn't matter because I'm venting. So y'all not even noticing until I just said something. Or did y'all notice? Comment down below if y'all noticed. And y'all probably look at me like, girl, you're not low. Like, you really just stopped. But anyways, I'm gonna do like baking business or like baking. I don't know, something like incorporating bacon. Like, so I want to have certain days that I just do desserts and stuff like that. And then I'm posting on my YouTube channel, obviously. And while we're baking together, I'm giving y'all advice that y'all sent me on Instagram. So I don't know if this ever made the YouTube cut back a couple of videos or if I ever told y'all, but I wanted to give advice to y'all because if you know me personally, you know that I'm really big on advice. I'm like all my friends' therapists, like all of them need help. But I need help too. We all need help. So like I kind of want to incorporate that to my business as well as my personality. Like y'all know, if you've been listening to me for a while, even if this is your first time listening to me, like you can tell I'm very passionate about when I speak, cause your girl is passion. Cause without passion, there's nothing. So yeah, so I really wanna incorporate that. Comment down below if y'all like that idea. I'm also gonna have a poll on Instagram, so if y'all missed this video, that sucks. Y'all will see it eventually. But I'm gonna have a poll on my Instagram too. Trying to see where y'all head is at if y'all wanna see that because I don't show myself. I'm just like a voice behind it. So this is a seasoning part I was telling y'all about. I lose track real quick. This was a season thing. You see how I'm pouring everything on top, but when I'm pouring everything on top, like it's very seasoned. Like when you season the flour, like it's slightly seasoned. It's not really giving all together. I did a spicy sauce for y'all, just so y'all can see what's going on. And the first thing, I don't think I wrote in the text, but it was mayo, the little white stuff. It was mayo. Yeah, and I'm using a lot, as y'all can see, a lot because, like I said, this is when I was selling food. So this is like a spicy sauce for y'all to put on your little sandwiches. Y'all can make it just a dip if y'all want. It's really good. It works for everything, honestly. So highly recommend. Don't comprehend. Okay, rapper. But yeah, like, comment down below how y'all like my idea on me giving y'all advice. Like like not daily questionnaires, but like like I'll have daily polls up, and then once a week I'll have it on my channel and stuff like that. So it'll be something. I ask questions. Y'all see my face. Sorry, I know I've been hiding, but y'all see my face as we're baking together. So let me know how y'all like that, and we just could go from there. Super excited. But yeah, this is a little sauce or whatever. You really didn't have to make that much. As a measurement for wise for this, just put a little bit, a little some of everything. The most you want to do is of ketchup and mayo, honestly, and everything else you want to do around the same measurements. And this is a cute little deep fryer. So we have the little flour on the side. When you deep fry things, if you put it in the thing, you want to make the temperature for this oil was 325, and no, it wasn't 325, it was like 335, just because I wanted to cook on the inside and then I wanted to be crispy as well. I have it a little separate because I didn't want it too close together. You drop it all in there. Make sure y'all using clean oil every single time because a lot of y'all be using your oils after a while. Oh, sweet Jesus, this is an example. And thank you for watching. Thank you for coming back for another video, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Bye y'all. Ah, it's not stopping.